First, let's start clean by importing our media to the timeline. Go to the Edit tab. Right-click the video track, then select Add Subtitle Track. Click the subtitle bar, then create caption on the upper right corner. Change subtitle text to your own text. This will be the first subtitles line. Change the subtitle length and location to set the point in time you want it to start and end. To create the next subtitle sentence, go to the point in time you want it to start, then click Add New and set your text. Let's watch it. All done. Please subscribe.